This is the Pirelli Cinturato P7, a tyre designed for those that value safety, comfort and efficiency. It's available in sizes from 16 to 19 inches and is suitable for a wide range of cars and SUVs. The compact central blocks and the robust external area help improve steering response and cornering control. Whilst for longevity and tread wear, it's improved with an even pressure distribution thanks to the innovative and advanced materials. It features 4 wide longitudinal grooves to help keep control whilst driving in wet conditions and reduces the risk of aquaplaning. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Pirelli haven't forgotten about driver comfort either, with optimised tread design with specific pitch sequencing for a relaxed and comfortable driving experience. So there we have it, that is the Pirelli Cinturato P7. A tyre that perfectly balances performance, safety, comfort and efficiency for today's drivers.